Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing Toniiq NAD Plus supplement, which is often marketed as one of the purest and most potent NAD Plus boosters. We wanted to see if it lives up to its reputation or if it's overpriced junk. After testing, we felt subtle but steady increases in daily energy and sharper focus. The purity is noticeable, as the capsules don't cause side effects like some lower quality NAD Plus products do. Pros: high potency, clean formulation, and third-party testing for safety. The brand is transparent about sourcing, which builds trust. Cons: the price is on the higher end, and results are gradual rather than immediate. It's also not a magic pill for anti-aging. Consistency is key. Overall, Toniiq NAD Plus is one of the better NAD Plus options available, but you need to be willing to invest for long-term health benefits. This has been How to Do, keeping things smart and simple and scam-free.